In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clients in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, effortlessly keeping track of your clients is crucial to ensuring smooth operations and optimal productivity. By the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at adding clients to your Hubstaff account, making your project management process more seamless. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the project management area within your Hubstaff account. Open your web browser and log into your Hubstaff account if you aren't already. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Project Management section. This is your starting point. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it holds vital parts of your worker and task management settings. After reaching the Project Management section, the next step is to locate the small drop-down arrow. This is usually found towards the top of your screen, near the project header. Clicking on this arrow will reveal a list of options related to your projects. It helps keep your interface clean and provides easy access to different settings and features. With the drop-down menu open, you should see a Clients option. Go ahead and click on Clients. This segment is dedicated to managing your client interactions and details. Here, you'll see any existing clients you might have already added. It's a good place to check for any duplicates or mistakes, which can be a common oversight in busy organizations. Ensuring your client list is accurate is vital for maintaining professional relationships and streamlining your project assignments. Once you're in the Client section, we move to the critical part, adding new clients. Locate the Add Client button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in essential information about your new client. This may include details such as the client's name, contact information, and any other specifics you need to track or include within your projects. As you fill in the details, double-check for any typos or errors. Providing correct and complete information at this stage will save you time and potential misunderstandings later. It's also a good opportunity to consider the level of access you want your clients to have within your Hubstaff setup. Some clients might need full access to project timelines and updates, while others require a more restricted view. Make sure to set these permissions accurately according to the client's needs and your organizational policies. Finally, once all the details are filled in, simply save the information. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new client to your Hubstaff account. This streamlined process helps ensure that you can manage client information efficiently, ultimately contributing to the overall effectiveness of your project management efforts. By understanding these steps, you'll efficiently manage client information in your Hubstaff account, helping you stay organized and focused. Feel free to revisit these instructions whenever necessary, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions.